Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Frigidaire, the American company that produces refrigerators and is a subsidiary of Electrolux. Its factories are located in the US, as well as in other countries. Fridgemaster, a British brand of refrigerators that was acquired by Chinese Hisense back in 2012. Refrigerators are made in France and Germany.
Let's help you make your mark.
According to the community survey website Ranker, consumers have Frigidaire ranked as the best appliance brand by a wide margin. Their side-by-side refrigerators have been recognized by Consumer Reports as exceptionally reliable. Frigidaire's offerings are both basic, easy to use and price-friendly.
Take our lead.
Benton Harbor, Mich. April 7th, PR Newswire First Call. Whirlpool Corporation, NYSE. WHR, today announced manufacturing production changes to its China operations, which include the closure of its washing machine manufacturing facility in Shanghai, China. These operations employ approximately 480 people.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.